Hello and welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how to set up a basic works order, how the technician will view it and complete a works order. So the essentials that you need to run a works order through Smartspanner. So I've just logged in and I'm looking at the dashboard, and first I'm going to go to our works order list. And this is a list of all of the current works orders in the system. We have a unique ID, the name that's given to them, the type, who it's been assigned to, the site, the asset, if it has a priority, and the status we can see is planned, complete, reported, and when it's due. So let's talk about the types. We have preventative maintenance, condition monitoring, breakdown, fault, inspection and calibration, health and safety, installation and commissioning, and other. So these are not user configurable, these are preset. And when you use the reporting tools, or you're looking for particular types of work, either through the works orders or through the asset history, this list can easily be filtered by who it's been assigned to, over a particular date range. And we can use the status filter to filter out different types. So typically we would only want to look at reported, planned, and active. And we can also filter by site to have different locations or different groups of assets. So let's start by creating a new works order. On the top right, we'll add a new works order, and we'll start by giving it a name. We'll select the type, and we'll just select a fault in this case. And in the asset, we can start to search. So just by typing in a few letters, I can search through my rooms and I can look for a particular room number. So the description can be used to report a problem, or maybe a set of instructions, some additional information that you want to convey about this particular works order. I don't need anything in here because it's self-explanatory. And if I just press save at this point, that's the minimum information I need to create a works order in Smartspanner. We now have a unique ID, and if we just jump back to the dashboard, and we'll see on our requests, we have replace broken light, which is the works order we just created. A works order will be displayed in the request list when it hasn't been assigned to a user and when it hasn't got a due date. It requires both of these conditions before we consider it planned. So let's just open this works order again, go to edit, and let's say we need this done tomorrow, and we can assign it to one of our users. Now if I press save, we've updated the status, so I'll just jump to the dashboard. You can see the request has been cleared, and in the works order list, our works order is at the top and the status is now planned. So that's now ready for the technician to pick up this works order. So when the technician comes to start, they can open this works order and they can add some comments and press save. Each comment is saved with the username and a date and timestamp. In order to complete a works order, we first need to go to edit, and we have a started and finished date and times. If you're not interested in capturing the time or the duration of a particular works order, you can start just by entering a date. And by default, it will go to midnight. So with the dates entered, if we now press save, and if we go back to our works order list, we'll see that the status has now been changed to completed. So in the works order, if you're interested in capturing the duration of a works order, and this will help you capture labor costs, we can set a time as well. So we can use these sliders. And if you're doing this in real time, you can just click now to enter the current time. So now we have a works order duration of 20 minutes. And if we add that as a log, I'll also be adding a labor log to include the labor cost of this works order. And you can now see we have a labor cost logged against this works order. And we can press save. So that's the basic process to create and complete a works order in Smartspanner. The rest of our videos will cover the other features and go into more depth about all of the other options you can use within the works order. Thanks for watching.